Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to install reinforcement rods in masonry. First, ensure you understand why these rods are crucial for structural integrity. Next, gather all your tools, including rebar, mortar, and a trowel. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself during the entire process. Proper preparation is key to a successful and safe installation. Before laying any rods, thoroughly clean your work area. Remove all dirt, dust, and loose particles to ensure proper mortar adhesion. Then, carefully measure and mark where each reinforcement rod will be placed. Accuracy here prevents future structural issues. Finally, double-check that your foundation is perfectly level and stable, providing a solid base for your masonry work. Now, apply a uniform layer of mortar to your marked foundation. This creates the bed for your reinforcement. Gently press the rods into the fresh mortar, ensuring they are fully encased. Use a spirit level and a string line to verify that each rod is perfectly straight and evenly spaced. This step is vital for the overall strength and appearance of your masonry. After placing your reinforcement rods, it's crucial to let the mortar cure properly. This usually takes between 24 and 48 hours, depending on conditions. During this time, avoid disturbing the structure. Once cured, carefully clean off any excess mortar or smudges for a neat, professional look. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.